Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now I know I've been missing in action for a while and I have a very good reason for that. I recently purchased a house and I'm currently stood in what soon will be my new office. And here it is in its undecorated glory. Still in its early stages, it is taking me a bit of time to get this room done as we're currently doing the rest of the house as well, and it's currently a complete building site in pretty much every single room. So this is the smallest room in the house, so I've claimed it as my creative workspace and office. At the moment it's not looking too fantastic. We've recently just papered or lining papered the walls so we can put some nice colours on the walls. I have purchased the colour that I'm going to use in this room. However, I'm not going to show you it just in the bucket as I think it won't do it justice. I will show that in the next update when we finally get it on the walls, and then you guys can tell me what you think of the colour. I originally was just going to get grey, but I thought that's just a bit boring, so I kind of looked through some of the colour cards and I chose this one, and I think it's going to look really nice. Now I'm not sure whether I'm going to paint every single wall this colour or just have a feature wall. Something I've still got to think about yet, but hopefully in the next video you will see in what direction I've chosen to go. Right, I'll give you a quick tour around the room and then we'll call it a day there, and hopefully I will have another update for you in the following weeks. As you can see, this room is quite small, but it works well for what I need it, and once it's all kitted out I think it'll work perfectly. Recently got a new piece of glass in the window, as when we moved in it had a nice big crack in it and loads of moisture in between the panels of glass, so that's been sorted. Access to the loft, we may board that out at some point and turn that into another room, but yeah, like I said, it's got not much to do with the office yet and we're way off boarding out the roof. This little side desk there, might be nice to put some plants on it, maybe stand up some pictures in some nice frames, or just put all my old vintage cameras on there, who knows. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. Putting a nice radiator on there to keep me warm in winter, as it gets very cold here in the UK in winter. And one other thing, I'm not even sure if I can see it down here, but underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but underneath this floorboard, there we go. I have wired through a Cat7 Ethernet cable, so all the computers and internet connected devices can be run wired, so they're not reliant on the Wi-Fi, as the broadband speed in this area is not the best. So I thought having a wired connection to a lot of the stuff should work a little bit better. Yeah, before we end the tour, I'll show you what will be the networking cupboard. So yeah, let's go. Welcome to what soon will be the networking hub / heart of the house. Right now we've just got a very basic broadband router from our provider and not much else in here. However, all the Ethernet cables that we're running through the house are coming up through the basement and up to this router here. So this will be getting replaced with, I believe we're going to get the Google Nest system, and then any other devices that we're going to connect up will live in here. I will build some kind of shelving unit to kind of house it all, and we will be getting a switch as well, because I believe the Google Nest only has one outgoing Ethernet port. So it's all just a work in progress at the moment. But yeah, I'm hoping to take you guys along with me and keep you all up to date, as these are the kind of videos I like to watch on YouTube. People kind of doing up the house and making new office setups, and doing their home network and Wi-Fi kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.